Sports in these places. This is the lottery, man. Spain is really, really into the lottery. And really, they buy and buy and buy. Range Rover looking good. Dented up though. Oh my gosh. What is that? Okay, I'm gonna make my move here. Streets are narrow. Oh, that means hello. Guapa is, I don't know, some kind of ice cream thing maybe. There's the laboratory. Palm trees are looking good. Trees are looking good here. Why not? Might as well get a couple pictures. I think this video is going to be all the same here. Look at these old buildings. Beautiful architecture, right? Oh, there's some good music. He's got his own speaker right in his pocket, this guy. One-man band. There you go.